Today I'm going to talk about my teaching experiences. So, recalling from the courses taken before the practicum, what we have learned and practiced, such as teaching skills or classroom discourse, were mostly designed to teach students face to face. However, as we were supposed to teach entirely online due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it did provide us with an opportunity to explore and practice online teaching method. But we did meet some unpredictable challenges. So today I'm going to share my challenges and opportunities gained from my teaching practicum. So before moving on that, I'm going to share with you some screenshots. So there is one is an activity I designed for asking students to come up with their advice using Padlet. And also we got asking students to come up with extreme situations that they think. And we got 0 in first conditional sentence construction. So besides Padlet, I also use quizzes to ask students to work on the quiz and answer the questions. And then we got a Mentimeter. I used Mentimeter for students to brainstorm their answers according to the question provided. So basically, now I'm going to talk about the games. So the first and the most important point for me is about the experience of lesson and material development. Although we were required to teach based on the syllabus and the textbook, there was always the chance for us to apply our own creativity into the lesson. Due to the fully online settings, we could have opportunity to develop various and colorful teaching materials using different kinds of online tools. Compared with teaching face-to-face in unpredictable environment, I could have more time to work on lesson and material instead of wasting time on traffic. And I could make full use of online tools to explore how to make the lessons interesting and attractive. For example, I could use Practicum to visualize the conversations for students to practice in order to arouse their interests. They preferred watching video examples than reading the conversations on the textbook. Besides the experience of lesson, I got the challenges, which is the classroom management. So to be honest, it was really hard to prepare for the classroom management as we might meet unpredictable classes with all kinds of students in terms of their English proficiency. I taught 2 Form 3 classes, and there were students who could follow my instructions and work on the practice I assigned. There were also students who could not understand English instructions and need to rely on the Malay translation. So, compared with teaching face-to-face, the classroom management for online classes were quite different. We might notice if some students were distracted through eye contact in the classroom. We could remind them through classroom discourse or even hand gestures. However, it was difficult for us to manage the online classes due to the online settings. And if students do not understand, they usually choose to remain silent instead of asking the teachers. Therefore, as teachers, we should make full use of classroom discourse to ensure students' engagement. We could highlight the key knowledge by saying that's important. We could keep asking students to answer questions, or in all, although we are having online classes, we should try our best to interact with the students and make the class more student-centered. So basically, that's the presentation from me. Thank you.